Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to find Bybit wallet address. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Bybit, you can use the link down there in the video description below, and you may get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here on my Bybit application, I just need to go to the assets right here on the bottom right corner and click deposits. So after I click deposit, just click deposit crypto, and I can choose whatever address that I want to use. For example, if I want to find my USDT address, I can just click USDT right here on the crypto. And after clicking USDT, I need to choose my chain network channel. So for example, the TRC20. And after clicking that, as you can see, the TRC20 wallet address will be shown below right here, and I can just copy it, and that's it. That's how you can find your wallet address on Bitmart. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.